Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Trading 212 application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device. Once you open it up, just look for the search button and tap on it. Now you can just type in Trading 212 and start your search. Once you find the Trading 212 application, just tap on it and you will find the install button. Just click on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Trading 212 application on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and once it is done, you will find the open button which you can click on in order to open up the app. And now you may sign up to create a new account or log into your existing one to start using the Trading 212 platform right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Trading 212 application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.